Hey everyone, welcome back. When I had the Camaro up on the lift there the other day, changing the oil, I did some looking around on it, checking everything out, and I found that the lower radiator hose is rubbing a bolt. And it's almost rubbed the whole way through. I'm really surprised it hasn't blown yet, because when it doesn't get hot, you get some pretty good pressure in there. So today I'm going to put a new hose on it. I got this hose. It is part number 71321. With this being a swapped motor, they really don't make a hose for this, so you make something work. I did some research on Google, found this hose should work. I also found that a lower hose off of 4th gen F body would work, but they didn't have any of those in stock. I found this one should work. I'm gonna give it a try. We'll see how it goes in, and if it does work, then I guess now you know if you have a 3rd gen Camaro with an LS swap, this hose will be good for you. So we're gonna get the car in the air, get the other hose off, get everything drained out, see if we can get this one fit on. Might have to do some cutting on it. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So let's get into this. All right, we're gonna come underneath here and there's a lower radiator hose. And there's the bolt it's been rubbing. Let's see if I can get this to show you guys. Right there's the hole right there by my thumb. Not sure if you can see it or not, but it's not the whole way through, but it's got to be really close. So we'll get these clamps off, get the antifreeze drained out of it, and then put the new hose on if we can make it fit. So here's the other hose. You know what? Sure looks like if I slide that on, angle's right. We'll just have to cut probably right here. I think it'll work. We'll see. We'll get that other one off, see where we're at, and test fit this one. We're gonna see if I can get this loose from down here. Looks like these clamps are turned up to the top. I think I can get on that one. Okay, that first clamp is loose. See how much of a mess we make here doing this. Not too bad. Okay, the upper clamp, it looks like it's some pliers. So I'm gonna get some pliers, see if I can get it squeezed off there. Okay, I'm gonna have to let the car down and get that top clamp. Top clamp is right there. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh yeah. Okay, this is where I'm probably gonna make a mess. Coming from everywhere under here. All right, so there's the hole. And it's really far down in there. I'm gonna put the car in the ground because this job might actually be easier on the ground rather than in the air. There's a pretty good room under the hood I can reach into. All right, so this side is too big to fit on either. I think, cut it off. I think I can slide this on the radiator, and this should reach. I'll have to cut somewhere, I don't know where yet. I'm gonna get this cut off first. We'll get that slid on, and we'll see where this needs to be. Okay, I got the end cut off. Slide it on there just to test fit. Oh yeah, that fits way nicer than the old one. I'm gonna cut this somewhere here, maybe give me a little bit better idea. It's still a little too long to really see how it's gonna fit. Okay, I think we got a good fitment here. So this is the end that I was gonna put down the bottom, but it actually seems to work out better this way. There's the bolt that was rubbing before, and I got a gap. I can stick my finger between there. So we got a gap. What might help is when I get the actual clamps on, maybe I'll twist, one of these a little bit, and it'll get that away from that. But right now I'm pretty happy with that. So we're just gonna pull this back off, get the clamps back on it, and then fill it back up with antifreeze. Well, I have this one clamped. I'm just gonna try to put it right on. This is usually not the easiest. There's that side on. On the other side, takes a ratchet. Okay, just tighten this side up and add some antifreeze. All right, everything's in there and tight. It actually fits really nice. Clamps are on. Right here's the bolt that was hitting the old hose. It fits pretty darn nice. If I can fit my finger between there, plenty of clearance. No more rubbing. Go ahead and get some more antifreeze back in this thing and start it up, get all the air out of it. If everything goes well, it won't be overheating. All right, got my funnel up there, and those two jugs are gonna hold that funnel up flat. I'm gonna start it, and we'll get some antifreeze, make sure it's all in there and good. Levels right there. Once it warms up a little bit and the thermostat opens up, we'll probably have to add a little bit more. So we'll just let it run for a little bit. In the meantime, I'll take it to the back of the car where it sounds better. That's through a set of Flowmasters. The car does have a cutout. I have it closed now just so it's not so loud. Water temp's only about 125 right now. Alright, we had the temperature up to about 210. Figure out an air pocket somewhere. So I loosened that little screw right there. As soon as I did that, it took all the water right down out of the funnel. I didn't get it on video. I was adding water as quick as I could. But then temperature went right back down to about 180. So I think we're pretty good. Heater's on, I can feel it's working. Turn it off now before it gets too hot. Don't make too much of a mess. All right. It will just let it cool down like this, and hopefully it'll suck that water down in. It's another beautiful PA day out here. It's raining. It's been raining all morning. It's only supposed to rain today. It's been nice the rest of the week. As of right now, it looks like the weather for the end of next week for the car cruise, we're driving down to Ocean City. Looks like rain here Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Down there is only looking like Saturday, Sunday, not a real big chance. So hopefully it either changes for the better or it just doesn't really rain. Maybe it'll make it a nice, cool, cloudy day down there. Maybe that'll be better for us, but we'll see. Oh, she's steaming. Nothing actively leaking. That's just stuff I spilt on the floor from the original change. Oh, we got a visitor down here. Come here, Wesson. Come here. Oh. Got a visitor. What are you doing? What are you doing out there? Oh, I hear him yelling for you. Better get back up to the house. You can see here, this is what I cut off of that hose. This was a bigger end. This end here is what I have on the water pump. This end is what I have on the radiator. I will put the part number for this hose down below if anyone's doing a 3rd gen Camaro LS1 swap. I know this hose works, so I guess this hose is for some kind of Jeeps. I don't know what Jeep, but that's what it's off of. A little bit of trimming and it works great. It's like it belongs in there. Just like this engine belongs in there. Well, thanks for watching this video. Hope this helps someone out that needs to do this. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one.